Bro, be honest. Is this your face when you watch YouTube? When anything funny comes up? You might do like the little slightest smirk, you know? That's literally at least 95% of YouTube. So many times I was coping about, like it's fine to just watch one Mr. Beast video, right? One Mr. Beast video, and then like the whole video goes by and I'm just like I'm not even joking. You probably relate to this too, right? Just watching videos, video, and you just feel no emotion. You're just like you do nothing. You do nothing the whole time. That's literally the entertainment we're getting right now. All the entertainment and all the funny moments in the video we see, we're just like, that's what we're wasting hours of our life on. I forgot a bunch of hours of my YouTube videos that I watched. I forgot all of it. All the little Mr. Beast explosions and all of the cars he bought in his video. Like, I forgot all of it. I don't remember any of it. Boom, 1 hour just in through my brain and then right out. Boom, 1 hour wasted, and boom. The amount of times I did this even recently, watching the NFL highlights, watching Premier League highlights. Oh, I gotta get better at soccer, you know? Like, it's still productive, right? No, it's not, because it just goes shoom, shoom. Now, there might be moments like once in a blue moon where you're like, yo, that's crazy, and you like play it back like 5 times. But is that even really worth it? Can't you get one of those moments outside, actually living your life, not watching other people live their own life? When I was a kid, I like to say, it's funny how I say when I was a kid, when I'm literally 16, but when I was like 14, 13, all my free time was not only with dumb video games, but it was with eating Cool Ranch Doritos, the whole party size bag, not those little mini like snack bags that you get. The whole party size bag, that whole gigantic bag, and I ate it all while watching 2 hours of videos. So many times, like, I think I'm missing out on a good video, like, oh my gosh, Mr. Beast just uploaded this, it's so fire, I have to click it, right, and then I click it, and then I forget it the next day. It's all pointless entertainment, and the amount of hours that were ripped away from me recently. Like, I had to-do lists of things I wanted to do, and I know, watch YouTube for 2 hours, watch Premier League highlights, watch NFL highlights of teams that I don't even care about. I know that wasn't on my to-do list, and I still ended up doing it, and it was still the biggest thing I did in that day. So you know the videos are pointless, and you shouldn't really watch them because you're going to forget them the next day, and that's 95% of YouTube. So how do you get the 5% of YouTube? Now, I could be an annoying little mother flipper, but I'm not gonna say like, oh, you found the 5% right here, subscribe to my channel. I actually want to give you like some actionable, like, good things to get more of the 5% of YouTube videos, not just my videos. But as long as you go on YouTube with a purpose, ask yourself, why are you going on YouTube? Don't just go on the homepage and be like, oh, this video is interesting. Ooh, gotta save that to the watch later. Ask yourself, every time you watch YouTube, why am I doing this? Why am I going on YouTube? Is it just out of habit and I just don't know what to do when I literally could be doing a million other things? I could be doing chores, I could be working out, I could be reading, I could be working. Don't just open it on Chrome as a habit and just type Y and then press enter. Actually go on it with meaning. Don't be on autopilot when you're watching YouTube, because you know what the autopilot does? I heard this recent study about what autopilot does to you, your brain. So you're just driving in autopilot on YouTube. And you know what the autopilot does when you're watching YouTube? It slams you right into the ground. Boom! My neighbors probably think I'm some special person, but it slams you right in the ground. And the way to prevent being on autopilot and getting crushed in the ground, deteriorating all your pieces, go on YouTube with a purpose. If you haven't already, get Chrome extensions to block the homepage on your YouTube videos, like the sidebar, maybe even the comments if you want, I don't care. I swear, if you do this right now, you will cut out 80-90% of the hours you spend watching on YouTube. I'm serious. Go on Google Chrome extensions, type in unhook, activate it. It's not a virus. I'm not trying to scam you out. It's like a million reviews. And then get it on your phone on your computer, activate it, and then boom, 90% of your hours are completely gone. So do this right now, bro. I don't care what your ego says. I don't care. Oh, but I'm productive anyway, so I don't even need this habit. Like, still do it. Literally do this. And also, uninstall YouTube from your phone, because you shouldn't even be watching YouTube on your phone. Literally, so you have to search a video to, like, see a video you want to watch instead of like, oh, this looks interesting. Boop, boop. Woohoo, woohoo. So I want you to give you an actionable step to stop watching as much YouTube. Now, you're probably going to think this is weird. You're probably going to think it's cringe. But it will literally take you like 10 minutes and it'll serve you forever. And that's to clean your room. Do something besides going on YouTube, so you actually have something to do when you don't go on YouTube. So you're not just like, oh, I don't have nothing to do. I don't know what to do. Literally clean your room. Because I know your room is a little messy. I know it can use some tidying. I know you can dust it. I know you can vacuum it. So do it. Actually do it. Just like, oh, I know what to do. YouTube. Like, actually. So you don't spend all your time on YouTube. Clean your room for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, and then you fill up your day with things to do. Instead of me just saying, oh, fill up your day with things to do, and you're like, oh yeah, that's a good idea. Well, I don't know what to fill my day up with. Clean your room. Do some chores around the house. Don't say, oh, I have nothing to do, when I know there's literally a million different types of freaking things you can do besides watch YouTube. Literally anything but YouTube. And relapsing and video games. You know, all those bad habits that they all do. All of those freaking dumb YouTube videos that are pointless entertainment that you forget the next day, that doesn't matter. Like, it's a powerful tool we have, but a lot of people don't use it wisely. So use it wisely, use it with a purpose. Get the 5% of banger videos there are on YouTube and improve your life because of that. So I'm sorry about that, man. My video thing cut out. I ran out of space on my phone because I've been creating so much. Like, yeah, I just realized, create instead of consume. Create YouTube videos instead of consuming videos. That's an amazing thing I just realized. Wow, that's crazy. But if you do this, if you stop wasting so much hours of your life on YouTube, you are literally reclaiming the potential that was stolen from you by YouTube. By, like, the Susan Wojcicki, whatever her name is, the CEO of YouTube. She's literally stealing hours of your life every day, and she's laughing while you're watching all the ads, while you're debating whether you should buy YouTube Premium or not. While you're doing all that, spending so much time focused and watching all those dumb videos that you forget about. Like, what was the last video you watched last week? You don't know, alright? So, boom, case solved. So, literally, like, if you do this, you're better than 99% of people. 99% of people watch hours and hours and hours and hours of YouTube every single freaking day. Be honest, 95% of YouTube is pointless, is a waste of time. Once you realize this, you'll be in the 5% of people who actually are enlightened and understand that YouTube is a powerful tool, but it can be extremely deadly. It's like a double-edged sword. And all of them, they don't want to do this. They don't want to do this, and they can't do this, but you actually can, especially if you're watching it this far, especially like all the little people that like clicked off in the first 5 seconds. They can't do this. They're watching their million videos, watching so many videos. But you can actually listen and apply this and be better than all of them, because they don't want to do this. None of them want to do this. And imagine your life when you have so many more hours to do other things in your life besides YouTube. The amount of times you could go outside like I am right now, the amount of times you can work out, clean your room, do chores around your house, the more free you're going to be. So, like, this is basically like a guide to freedom, you can say. So, yeah, do this. Because we consume so much, and we need to stop consuming, and we need to start creating the life that we actually want, that they all can't get. Peace.